So, hello students. Today I am going to present you the virtual Kaledeoscope using VRML. Myself, Dr. Dipak Shirbhate. I am working as a head of mechanical engineering in Vrml Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. So, we will start with the video. This original work is created by Sho Hosoda. I think he is a Japanese, and I think he has created this work in 1997 and uploaded on YouTube in 2008. Luckily, I was able to retrieve all those files by this person. He has done very nice work, and actually, I have uploaded one video on Kaleidoscope, but I got very much inspired by this work of Sho Soda. So I thought that I should make a second video on Kaleidoscope using VRML. So actually, this is a learning resource which is created as an extension to the final year project work of diploma students. What you can do is that you can check the comment section for project report and VRML code. You can download from Google Drive. So it is just an extension of this particular project work. So welcome to VRML. VRML stands for Virtual Reality Modeling Language, and here are the Kaleidoscope by VRML. Before you actually open the VRML file, what you can do is that you can download Vrml Studio, which was formerly called as Flux Studio, from the Web 3D Consortium, and BS Contact Player from Bit Management Company, which is a German company. So I think this will be better if you download these two softwares, or say two tools, before you start with VRML. Now, how to place a new object in a Kaleidoscope? It is actually inline function of VRML which is used. You will find a file a.wrl in the directory. So A is nothing but it is a file which needs to be included in the VRML. Actually, when you replace this file to new VRML file, you will find that new object in the Kaleidoscope. In fact, this mirror transformation works properly only with objects symmetrical with XY plane. So that is the actually requirement. But of course, you can actually include any object in the Kaleidoscope. So you can actually input any object in the Kaleidoscope. That is possible. In the older version, we use a minus value for scale in transform for the mirror transformation. So we make a new mirror transformation which works properly only the object symmetric with the XY plane. It rotates 180 degree around an axis on the XY plane. Now this is something which is written by the Sho Hosoda. I'm not getting the meaning. So when I actually imported the VRML file into Vrml Studio, because I create all the codes with the Vrml Studio. So this is a logic tree. If you want to create a similar type of code, this is the logic tree that you can create. So this type of logic tree you have to create. Then you will be able to create the similar type of code. Okay. So this is nothing but translation. Actually, there may be some spelling mistakes. So n mirrors making a regular polygon. The first number represent how many mirror. So 2 means 2 mirror, 3 means 3 mirrors. And the second number is the number of transformation reflections. Okay. So first number is the number of mirrors, and second number is transformations. Okay. So these are the files that you will find in the video, that in the comment section of the video, and then you can unzip those files and then you can try all this permutation combination of Kaleidoscope. Similarly, there are two mirrors are placed to have an angle. Okay, so here actually two mirrors are there. So T21, T31. The first digit of the number in the file name is the angle between the mirrors, 360 divided by n, and the second digit is the number of times to perform the specular conversion. The angle has nothing to do with weight. Okay, so we will try this actually. So this is my A file. This I have tried. This was actually the A file which I have created. Then I have created one B file also. Here there is a drag sensor, plane drag sensor. You can see that I can drag these within one plane. Then this is the C. This is the Kaleidoscope. Now actually I have inserted this Kaleidoscope into Joe Hosoda's code to see what is the effect. And this was the Kaleidoscope which was created by myself, and when I inserted this as an inline function, then I got such type of result. And when this I have inserted in Joe Hosoda's code, I got the result like this. This was the result actually. This was the result of the Kaleidoscope. This was the result of the Kaleidoscope. So then I actually enter the entire Kaleidoscope and see what is the result now. So this is a very spectacular actually view that we can get. Just you have to fit it into the screen, and now you can try dragging the objects and see what you can get. This is Kaleidoscope. So this is a Vrml Kaleidoscope, and then we will try these codes also. This is the A file actually. This is the A file which will be actually inserted into different permutation combinations having different you can say mirrors. This is the original A file, and then you will get the mirror image of this when you enter this file into, when you insert this file into Kaleidoscope. So these are the object, and this is the small A file. The small A file is having such type of objects. Small A file. And we will see so this is what the Kaleidoscope is. Okay, so this is the file. It is k22.wrl. This is k23.wrl file. in the table that you have seen. This is spectacular actually, very nice. So I am locating the last file, and this is the last file. This is k94.wrl, and see what a nice actually view you will get in K94. A very nice, actually very nice view. So this is how the Vrml Kaleidoscope will work, and it will give you a lot of visual delights, you can say. Lots of visual delight can be created on the screen. So this was one of the old language, and we are just repacking that language for study purpose. Then this is again a visual delight. Very nice. Very nice. So such type of actually permutation combination you will get. You can rotate this object, and you can change the graphics. This is a wireframe mode actually. This is a wireframe mode. Then we will go to the graphics, and then we will see select vertices, and see, you can see the vertices. Then we will go to hidden line and see what you get in the hidden line. So this is a BS contact player actually. It gives you a lot of tools for visualization of the object. So what to do if your code creation fails or it is unsuccessful? So you are creating the code using the Vrml Studio, but sometimes what happens that many say master programmers have written the code and it cannot be completely recreated with the Vrml Studio. So this is a trick that I'm following. So if this happens, then you can download original code from the description and compare your code with the original code. For comparison, you can use Notepad++. There is one comparison tool, so side by side you can compare both the codes and make suitable changes in your code if it differs from the original code. Best way for visualization, as I have said earlier, is the BS contact player from Bit Management. It is a most modern player with lot of facilities. So once you download this player, you will not require any other player. So thank you for watching my video. Free code download is available in the video description. Check comments for more links on Vrml Studio tutorials. So thank you very much. I am recording this video on 22nd of May 2022. Thank you.